I see her. Hi friends, real quick before we get into today's vlog, I just want to come on and tell you guys about this amazing gummy that I've been taking. You guys know that I am in love with gummies, and this gummy is from a company called Premium Jane, and Premium Jane does a lot of product that is CBD. CBD comes from the marijuana plant. It's something that is extracted from the marijuana plant, and the previous gummy that I've tried have different flavor, but this one is just lime, and it's absolutely delicious. If you love lemon flavor, this is strong in lemon, and when you have one, you can't resist but to have a second one. I am obsessed with them. As you guys can see, my bottle is way past half. This big bottle have 60 vegan cubes in it, and let me show you what the size of one cube is like, just so you guys can have a pretty idea of exactly how the cubes look. And I'm gonna have one right now because I haven't had any today, and they're absolutely delicious. Let's just savor the lemon flavor in your throat and in your mouth. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. You guys, if you love gummies and you're looking for something that is organic, you're looking for something that is vegan, you're looking for something that is not too overly sweet, and you have a sweet tooth and you want something healthy, then check out Premium Jane. This gummy is so good, you guys. Like I said, it's vegan. It is a dietary supplement. You can take 1 to 2 cubes every 6 hours, so you don't have to worry about how often you can take it, because 1 to 2 every 6 hours is completely perfect. Just to name some of the ingredients that is in this CBD gummy, you have sugar, you have corn syrup, pectin, sunflower oil, water, flavor, sodium, just to name a few, hemp extract. Now you can store it in a dry place. You can take 1 to 2 gummy every 6 hours, or as you desire. So somebody like me who when take one have to take 2 is perfectly fine. And I literally keep these at my desk because I just have to have them. Of course, if you guys wondering what is CBD, like I said, it's CBD is a short for cannabidiol. It's extracted from the marijuana plant, and it has so many health benefits. When you take this gummy, you get an overall sense of calm. It helps restoring the internal body. Have no form of intoxicating or mind altering effects, so it's completely safe for you to take these gummies whenever you feel for something sweet, or you just want a treat, or you just want something just to calm you and to make you have a good day. If you guys would like to purchase one of these amazing CBD gummy, go ahead and click the link down below to get 25% off by using the code MEL. Gummies are absolutely delicious. You'll love them, you'll feel the benefits, and with a big bottle like this at such low price, you guys will absolutely get the benefit, and you'll definitely get your money's worth. Now click the link down below and get your organic CBD gummies right now by using the code MEL to get 25% off. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new beautiful day here in France, of course, and my kids are noisy outside. Look at them. Look at them. Let me show you guys Sarah real quick. Hi, what is this you have in your mouth? Where are you going, girl? Come here. Hi, Tyler. Say good morning to the faves. Say good morning to the faves.
Later.
You just decide to act crazy right now?
One later.
Oh, so that means I won't tell you what I have to tell you?
No, tell me.
You sure you want to know?
Yes.
Oh, you sure you want? Alright, come let me tell you what I have to tell you. So you guys, by the title of this vlog, you guys probably already know. Get your step. Hi, husband, say hello.
I wonder what it is. Tell me.
So Tyler, we have a surprise for you.
What
You wonder where Mama going? Mama is all dressed. Where is she going and you are not dressed?
I don't know.
You don't know. That's because Mama is going to pick up somebody at the train station.
The only people I know that we pick up at the train station is Auntie Natasha.
Is Auntie Natasha, but Auntie Natasha is gone. Water, please.
At St. Martin.
At St. Martin, Auntie Natasha is gone, but somebody else is coming today.
Tell me.
You think you deserve to know?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to pick up Mai and her 2 kids. Moi is coming today and Moi is going to be staying here until a few days.
Until vacation starts.
Close to vacation starts. So you're gonna have Jemai and Maya to play with?
Wait a minute.
What?
Oh, last time we had to go to
My
my
house.
house.
Mm-hmm.
It was Jemai.
Jemai.
Jemai had go in her room and
No, the boy is Jemai and the girl is Maya. Oh, come back. Come back, Ty, for a minute. Sarah wants Tyler to come play with her. She's crying. So you're happy? Are you gonna be nice while they're here? Let them play with all your toys, okay?
Yes.
Alright, go play with your sister. Look at her. She wants Tyler to come play with her. She starts crying.
I was walking it and now
Anyway, you guys, so because Mo is coming, there you guys have it, the big reveal. Remember I told you guys a few days ago that I have a surprise for Tyler, but I can't tell him the surprise until Sunday. So today is Sunday and Mo is coming. I'm going to, if you guys don't wondering who the hell is Mo or who is Mo is a Jamaican that lives here in France. She lives about 2 hours 30 away from me with her family, her husband, her 2 kids. Mo also have a YouTube channel called Moy and Matt, Jamaican French family, but I don't remember exactly the name, but I'll put the link down below so you guys can go subscribe to Moy if you guys haven't subscribed already. And also I've been to Moy house before, so you guys would have met Moy in previous vlogs, but if you have never seen Moy before, then you'll see Moy today and in probably like 2 or 3 more vlogs as of today. Anyway, you guys, of course, because Moy is coming, I have to give her the real Jamaican experience. But I didn't go too much all out because of course she'll be here for a few days, so I still get chance in other days to make other Jamaican dishes. So I woke up early this morning, so let me show you guys what I made. Of course, there is no Jamaican dinner without jerk chicken, so I woke up early, make jerk chicken. I make steamed veggies here, and this one is hot because I just finished a pot of curry goat is right there. There is sauce over there and rice and peas. All right, so you guys probably wonder, Mel, so where the ackee and saltfish? Well, like I said, she'll be here for her next day, so I plan and cook ackee and saltfish tomorrow for dinner. So don't worry, Moy will be getting the full-on experience just like every other Jamaican visitor that I've ever had here. Anyway, I'm looking forward to having her here for a few days, and then we'll be off on vacation. She'll be leaving midweek so that we'll have time to, you know, kind of get into real vacation packing and stuff. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Enough of the talking for me, and let me head on the road, leaving babe home with the 2 kids so I can go pick up Moy and the kids at the train station. So I'll see you guys later. Oh, I haven't climbed those stairs in the tram stop for a long time because I'm always with the kids, so I always have the stroller taking the elevator, but I was able to use a step today. My God. Anyway, you guys, I am heading to the train station to get Moya and the kids. The train should arrive at 1:12 and it's now 10 minutes before 1, so I'm just on time. I'm about 10 minutes walk away from the train station, so up there about 15 minutes in advance. So let's go get my girl, shall we? I'm in town. Center town is where the train stop is, the one that she's coming off, so you guys know exactly where I'm at. But if it's your first time to the channel and you have never seen me in town before, this is what town is looking like. And today is Sunday, so a few stores open also because it's a sale period going on, so a few people out shopping. Let me get my mask on. Why do I not have my mask on? Bad idea, Mel. Alright, so we're in town right now. It's kind of quiet on a Sunday. Few stores open, a few people out, not much. But yeah, just to give you an idea of town right now, this is what it's looking like. So let's head to the train station. I'm at the train station waiting for them to come through. They should come through in about 10 minutes right here, so let's wait. I see her. You look tired. Look at you. Come on. Oh my god. In here full, we need to buy a tram ticket. Ça va, Maya? Ça va? C'est belle, toi. Oh my god, she's so pretty. You're finally Oh my god, how was the trip?
I don't know. There's something I always wanted to do. Put the camera on me because
what?
The queen is here. Not like Spice when she arrived in New York. I don't know. The queen is here.
You're gonna let me choke. The camera with my head. Why you not vlogging? You didn't vlog the trip? You didn't vlog the journey? Eh? Why you not vlog? We don't understand. Oh my, not vlogging. What do you mean? The queen has arrived. The queen has arrived. Look at her. She's niece ready. Look at her, niece ready. Come, let me carry one of the bags.
Remember.
It's food time with the fam bam.
And the mom. And then tomorrow.
Yes.
Are you finally here? You can come here?
It's food time, you guys. We're about to eat. The food is warm and ready. Ready? Separate? You're shy?
It's dinner.
Okay, Ta, it's dinner. Ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's eat.
Catch my sexy body. Catch the angle.
Angles.
Maya, go on beside Mel.
Come, Maya, come. Give me a hug. I can't, Maya.
Maya, regardez-moi. Maya, look at me. Maya, look at me. Say hello.
Là-bas. Moi, je vais jouer.
Jamaican, say hello.
Je vais faire un calcul. En fait, on va le garder. On va sauter. Patronne.
What you playing with?
Monica, hand bracelet. She finds something to calm her down.
I lost her ring. I see her ring right there. You too. Drop it in the bag. Look, look. Ah. She want to go in the water. You guys, we're at the pool right now and the kids are having the time of their lives. They're just not paying us any mind. But look at Sarah with my phone on the wet concrete. Sarah, what you did with that phone? And Thailand, Gemma in the water, and Maya. Maya is over there, so laying down.
Mommy,
The cuckoo. Go, the cuckoo. Thailand tourists, no one going in no water. Watch her now. Watch her. She no water ready today. She'll be water ready tomorrow.
Hopefully today, tomorrow. Jamaican?
So the boys will always be boys. They're playing PS3, Star Wars. These two. Now look at the girls. Let's go find the girls. Look at these two. Sava Maya? Maya fell when we were coming from the pool. Both she and Sarah fell and Maya hurt her face. Not bad, but she'll be okay. Fell right on top of Sarah, both of them, but Sarah didn't get hurt. Sarah didn't even cry, she just jumped up. Poor Maya. Hi guys, I can't talk to you guys too much. My voice is changing.
What kind of voice is that?
Baby, it's not me doing it.
Hi guys.
My throat is hurting. Don't let me.
I can't talk to you that much. I'm sorry.
This is the sympathy I get when I'm not feeling well from my husband. I hope you guys see it. This is the love and the care and the support that I get from my husband when I'm not feeling well. But that's okay. I'm a big girl. I can take it.
In less than a month, that's gonna make 10 years. 10 years, she said that. Finally, you just support me. It's convenient the way I treat you. No, guys, I'm treating her very well. I hope she can see it. I hope she knows that. I'm treating her very well. I take care of her. I'm playing with her a lot, but I also love and cherish and take care of her a lot. Anything you have to say that? Amen. Right. Anyway, guys, that was a cool Sunday. It's getting hot. Oh my God, it's hot. And because people are sick, I'm not gonna tell Melissa or Tyler. I'm not gonna tell their name. People are sick inside the house, so I can't have the fun much. I'm sweating. If this sweat can be fat, I will be happy. I'm sweating a lot, but I'm happy. You know, when you're trying to lose weight, every time you're sweating, you just say, okay, I'm sure it's sweating. I'm sure it's good sweating. I'm gonna you lose nothing. But for our mind, is good. Anyway, guys, that's the end of today's vlog. Continue. So if you like, give this video thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, to share. You don't used to say that. To share.
You
to
guys
catch up and to keep up.
My tonsils acting up. That's why I sound like this. I'm gonna have to go to the doctor before vacation to get some antibiotics. If you guys have any tonsil home remedy, let me know. And I've been trying lime and salt and it's not working, so Pray for me. Give this video a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Comment down
Keep
below.
up.
Subscribe if you're new.
And we see you guys tomorrow.
You're a piece of work. You know you're a piece of work. You're a piece of work.